I'm Moe Cason. I'm from Des Moines, Iowa, and what I love about barbecue is what you see right here. The barbecue family, that's what it's about. It's family. All these people I've known for years. For the backyard or individual wanting to get into competition barbecue, learn your pit. Learn your pit. I don't care if you're cooking on 2 cinder blocks in a rack or some $15,000 offset smoker. Learn your pit, because if you do not master your pit, no matter what kind of quality of pork or beef or chicken or whatever you're cooking, it will not be good unless you master your pit. You got to learn how to cook consistently. Anybody can barbecue. You just have to take time and passion in doing it. Okay? You're going to have to burn some stuff up to nubs before you get it right. I'm kind of hard-headed because I'm a self-taught pitmaster, and I'm the kind of guy that wants to learn by just hard knocks. But don't be like me. Go out there. There's great classes. There's great books. There's an individual there behind this camera looking at. I don't have too many books, but I have his book.